Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Doc to the assignment so that every student gets a copy. So I'm going to work out of my testing workroom. You first go to assignments. Then you're going to create a new assignment. I'm going to call this assignment Lab Coat because that is one of the first things that they're going to do is decorate a lab coat. You're going to write the directions. I'm not going to write the full directions right now. Here you can see you can add the points. It's not going to be a test or quiz. It's going to be class participation. And so your Google Drive lives in an external tool. So right here under submission type, you're going to select external tool. And then you're going to find it. And you'll find it in Google Assignments. So when you click Google Assignments, it should open up and it automatically goes to your, or should go to your work account. If it doesn't, switch to your work account. Then you hit continue. Then I'm going to attach the file. The cool thing is that you can check for plagiarism, which I thought was super awesome. And you're going to attach the file and find it in your drive. So I'm going to select my lab safety coat and then you hit add. And then you can also add the amount of points here. You can also add a rubric. I'm not going to add a rubric right now, but you can see that is once you have the document right here, it says each student will get a copy. And then here's you can select the due date. I'm going to select it for September 1st, then create it. And then you want to make sure you hit select. If you hit the X button, then the link will not populate on the box. So you hit select. So you can see it says right here, assignments.google. So it's in a Google assignment. You can limit the amount of attempts. I only want them to submit it once. It's assigned to everybody. You can put the due date here as well. Now, you have to hit save and publish if you want the students to see it right away. If you don't, you can just hit save. So that way you have it there. And whenever you're ready for the students to see it, you can just publish it. So right here, it looks blank, but I do have my directions right here. We're going to go, oh, there it goes, populated. So this just shows that you populated the assignment. Now we're going to go to student view. So that way you see what the students see. Oh, sorry. We're going to publish the assignment. So right here, if you see this kind of like the no sign, and that means that it's not published. So if you want to publish it, you can just press this, or you can go to the 3-dot button and publish it there as well. And you can, and if you change your mind, you can always unpublish as well. So now we're going to go home. Now we're going to go to student view. And we're going to go to assignments. I'm going to see the lab coat. Now it says I'm already an instructor. I'm going to switch accounts. I have this account set as a student. And voila, you have uploaded it. So right here, you can see what the students see. It'll say open assignment to view and submit your work. Right here, you'll see the assignment. Right here, it says chaperone instructional specialist. That would be the student name and the assignment title. So this allows for the students to each get a copy of the assignment. Thank you for watching.